Hi friends, I'm Veerabhadra Adhyamaya from ASM Academy, and now I wanted to tell you the magical mathematics. One joke or what is that? What can I say for that? ಒಗಟು ಅಂತೀವಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮರ್ತೇ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಸದ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ವಯಸ್ಸಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇರಲಿ. One person is there. That man is having a qualification of ICS. The person stands in between two mats. His qualification is ICS. Who is he? Well friends, I am Veerabhadra Adhyamaya. Excellent coaching classes for competitive examinations and academic classes of school-going children. ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ ಕಲೆ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಶಾಲೆ. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಕಲೆ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತಾ, what is number line and the natural numbers? The natural numbers are the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The dots indicate that the sequence is infinite. Counting can go on forever and ever, since you can always get the next number by simplifying, adding 1 to the previous number. In order to write numbers efficiently, and for other reasons, we also need the number 0. Later on, we will need the sequence of negative numbers: -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and so on and so on and so on. Taken together, all these numbers are called integers. It helps to visualize the integers laid out number line with 0 in the middle and the natural numbers increasing to right. There are numbers between any two integers on the number line. In fact, every location on the line represents some number. Some locations represents fractions, such as 1/2 between 0 and 1, or 4/3 between 1 and 2. Other locations represent numbers which cannot be expressed as functions, such as pi. Pi is located between 3 and 4 and expresses the ratio of the circumference to the diameter of any circle in geometry. Pi, the value of pi is 3.17, 3.147 or something, and the fraction value is 22/7. That is the value of pi which you are using in geometry. Well friends, number line 0 in the center, exactly at the center in the number line is 0. To your left, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and to the right, 1 + 1 + 2 + 3 + 4 + 5. Though the sign is not mentioned, nothing is there, means we have to consider it as positive sign. So non-negative integers including 0. When we call whole numbers, we need only 10 symbols to write any number. These symbols are the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only the whole numbers. We write larger whole number using a place value system. The digit in the rightmost place indicates how many ones the number contains. The digit in second from right place indicates how many tens the numbers contains. The digit in thirds of the right place indicates how many hundreds the number contains, etc. So 7 stands for 7 ones, 72 stands for 7 tens plus 2 ones. Similarly, 349 stands for 3 hundreds plus 4 tens plus 9 ones. Like this. This is number line, my dear friends. Exercises for you. You can solve these things for yourself. There are 5 questions in the exercise. You please answer yourself with the help of the previous reference. Adding whole numbers, when add 2 or more integers, the result is called the sum. We assume you know the sums of single digit numbers. For a practice, do the following example. Fill in the missing squares in the digit addition table below. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Similarly, so many numbers are there. Addition tables, 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Like this, up to 6 plus 12 is equal to 18. Please practice these tables with addition. Similarly, 12 plus 12 is 24. Okay, coming to the multi-digit addition. Add 2 numbers with more than 1 digit. We line up the numbers vertically so that the ones placed rightmost or directly on top of each other, and all other places are similarly arranged. Then we add the digits in each place to obtain the sum. Example, find the sum of 25 and 134. 25 is one number, 2-digit number. So 134, number 134 is a 3-digit number. You have to add the digits number, multi-digit number. It may be 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits, 5 digits, etc. These are the problems given to you. Find the sums carrying where necessary. 1 to 10 sums are given to you. Please sum up all the things and you can do it yourself. And multiplication tables is a must in mathematics. One should know the multiples of one multiplication tables, 1 to 100 and 11 to 220, that is 200. These are the very important things you should number. You have to by heart. Any student of mathematics, one should by heart the tables. You have to count the numbers from the descending order. Is in Kannada. I would like to finish this in, let me see how many seconds I need to complete. Descending from 100 to 1 or 0. 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 94, 95, 90, 91, 82, 83, 87, 88, 89, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 80, 81, 59, 58, 57, 58, 56, 57, 58, 54, 55, 56, 57, 48, 50, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155 14 13 12 11 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 mathematics. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe. BBSM Academy, yes, for Arts and Science, Virabhadraya Demaya, son of G. Demaya, Gopnalli, contact 9663828428. This is only the class of English medium students of Karnataka rural students. From Karnataka rural students, Chitradurga district, students of ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗದ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚಳ್ಳಕೆರೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ, ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ, all village around ಚಳ್ಳಕೆರೆ ಚಾಲೂಕ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಪನಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಕ್ಲಾಸು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದನ್ನು ಗಮನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಓದಿ ಕೇಳಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹೀಗೆ ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ from 1 to 12 classes. Addition, subtraction, subtraction, multiplication, division in arithmetic, and where this one algebra also you will get binomials, trinomials, polynomials, so many things in algebraic sums and algebraic expressions, as well as the geometry. You will get geometrical figures and geometrical Pythagoras theorem and many more in English medium students. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.